On March 1, 2025, the Iranian Army officially began receiving deliveries of the Suleiman 402, a domestically modernized variant of the American-designed M60 tank, marking a significant enhancement to its armored forces. Reports from Iranian state media, corroborated by international outlets such as Military Watch magazine and Army Recognition, indicate that a formal ceremony in Tehran showcased the handover of these upgraded vehicles, part of a broader effort to revitalize Iran's aging tank fleet. This development, occurring amid heightened regional tensions and Western sanctions, underscores Tehran's focus on self-reliance in military hardware and its intent to bolster ground capabilities in a volatile strategic environment. The Suleiman 402 represents a comprehensive overhaul of the M60 pattern, a Cold War-era main battle tank originally supplied to Iran by the United States in the 1970s under the Shah's regime. The baseline M60A1, from which the Suleiman 402 is derived, features a 105mm M68 rifled gun, capable of firing armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding sabot rounds at a muzzle velocity of 1,500 meters per second, with an effective range of approximately 2,000 meters. Its original power plant, the Continental AVDS 17902A diesel engine, delivers 750 horsepower, driving the 52-ton vehicle to a top speed of 48 km per hour on roads and a range of 500 kilometers. The tank's armor, composed of rolled homogeneous steel, provides protection against small arms and early anti-tank weapons, though it was outclassed by modern systems by the late 20th century. Iran's modernization program, executed by the Defense Industries Organization, has transformed the M60 into the Suleiman 402 with upgrades tailored to contemporary threats. The tank now boasts an enhanced fire control system, integrating thermal imaging and laser rangefinders, improving target acquisition in low visibility conditions. The main armament has been retained, but ammunition compatibility has expanded to include locally produced high-explosive anti-tank rounds, increasing penetration against modern armor. Reactive armor panels, likely based on the KONTAKT-5 design acquired through reverse engineering, have been fitted to the hull and turret, offering defense against shaped charge warheads. The suspension system, originally torsion bar-based, has been reinforced to handle the additional weight, estimated at 3 to 4 tons, bringing the total mass to around 55 tons. Mobility remains a priority, with reports suggesting an upgraded engine, possibly a variant of the AVDS 1790 producing up to 900 horsepower, extending operational range and agility across Iran's varied terrain. Electronic upgrades distinguish the Suleiman 402 from its predecessors. A digital battlefield management system enables real-time coordination with other units, a capability previously absent in Iran's M60 fleet. Countermeasures include smoke grenade launchers and an indigenous active protection system, speculated to be a derivative of the Russian Arena, designed to intercept incoming projectiles. The crew compartment, housing 4 personnel, commander, gunner, loader, and driver, features improved ergonomics and night vision equipment, aligning the tank with standards seen in regional peers like Turkey's modernized Leopard 2s. The Suleiman 402 isn't a new tank, but it's a leap forward from what Iran had, noted Dr. Jeffrey Lewis, a military technology expert at the Middlebury Institute of International Studies, in a March 2025 analysis for Military Watch magazine. The delivery of these tanks comes as Iran seeks to maintain a credible deterrent amid ongoing rivalries with Israel, Saudi Arabia, and the United States. With an estimated pre-modernization inventory of over 150 M60s, Iran has prioritized upgrading rather than replacing these platforms, a decision driven by economic constraints and restricted access to foreign arms markets. The Suleiman 402 program, initiated in the early 2020s, reflects Tehran's strategy of enhancing legacy systems to extend their service life. This is about maximizing what we have. Self-sufficiency is our strength, declared Brigadier General Mohammad Reza Ashtiani, Iran's defense minister, during the March 1 ceremony, emphasizing the role of domestic innovation in countering external pressures. Production details remain closely guarded, but analysts estimate that Iran aims to modernize at least 50 to 70 M60s into the Suleiman 402 configuration by 2027. The process involves disassembling each tank at facilities in Shiraz and Tehran, retrofitting components, and conducting rigorous field tests. Unlike Russia or China, which supply Iran with limited hardware, the Suleiman 402 relies entirely on local engineering, leveraging decades of experience gained from maintaining Western-supplied equipment post-1979.